friends, my name is Alyssa and I am so glad that you've decided to join me again for another exciting video. Today we are going to be making a diffuser bomb. I don't know if you've done this before or not. It's a really fun, quick, easy way to add a whole bunch of a custom scent into a dropper bottle, so that way you can set this right next to your diffuser instead of a whole bunch of essential oil bottles, and you have that right ready to go, and you may not even have to use as many drops this way. So it's a great way to save money and get a custom scent. Let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to need to do this recipe today is you're going to need a dropper bottle. I grabbed most of my supplies off of Amazon, so you'll find the link to my shopping list down below in the description. Check that out, as well as all of the other things that are down there so that you can find out what kinds of supplies that I'm using for my essential oils. If you don't want to buy anything in bulk or have to make a bunch of scents of all of that, you can head over to oily.life and you can just grab a basic or a premium oily box where you will get a dropper bottle right in those boxes and a bunch of other supplies that you'll be able to use to make all kinds of different things with your essential oils. So the next thing you want to grab are your essential oils. I've got 3 here that are some of my favorites to throw into the diffuser together, and this is just a regular diffuser blend recipe that I am going to multiply by 10 to make this diffuser bomb, and then I don't have to keep all these oils by my diffuser. I can just keep this little guy there. So what I'm using today is lime, lavender, and geranium. So those are the 3 that I'm going to use, but you can take any diffuser recipe that you have and just multiply those drops by 10 to make this recipe here today. If you want to make an even bigger bottle of this, you can multiply it by 20 or 30, however you want to do that. We're just going to do 10 for today. The recipe on its own was 4 lime, 3 lavender, and 2 geranium. So I've just multiplied that by 10 to do 40, 30, and 20. So we're going to start with lime. Alright, so we've got our 40 lime. Now we're going to do 30 of lavender. And last we're going to do 20 of geranium. How much I love this smell. It smells so good. Reminds me of my grandma's house. Okay. I've got all those oils added in there. And you can see that those are down in there. I'm just gonna give them a little swirl. This doesn't fill that bottle up all the way, but honestly, it's enough to give you a good amount in there for a little while. Again, you could multiply by 20 or 30 if you want to make more, but I find that maybe I want to try a new scent after that. So I just put enough in there to allow me to use it for a few days, and then I can swap it out if I want to. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use it. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser from Young Living. You can get this when you purchase a premium starter kit with Young Living, and if you do that with me, I would love to be able to teach you how to use your kit and send you a premium box for free filled with all of these goodies that you see here and even more that are a secret. So I would love to send you one of these for free when you join me and grab your diffuser and your 12 oils and other fun things that come in that premium starter kit with me. And you can figure out how to do that by clicking on oily.life and clicking on Get Oils, or you can go down and click the link to my faithbloomsoilers website, and you can find out more information about essential oils, how to use them, all kinds of information on there, and you can find out how to order one there too. So here's how you do the diffuser. You take this outer shell off and the top off here. There's 2 ways that you can do this. You can just fill it right to this little like line, if you will. There's kind of like a little fill line there, or they even have this designed to where you can fill this full and you can turn and dump that in there, and that's the perfect amount as well. So For now, we're just gonna fill it. We're gonna use distilled water, so that way we make sure that we're keeping our diffuser nice and clean without any impurities or anything in there, so that it lasts a long time. And then we're gonna give this another little swirl. And normally we would be doing 4 drops of the lime, 3 lavender, and 2 geranium. So 4, 3, 7, 8, 9 drops total. I'm gonna do 6 drops of our diffuser bomb. So I'm not gonna be using as many oils, and I get all 3 scents in there too. So I'm gonna add those in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I can set this right by my diffuser. I'm gonna put this top back on. You wanna make sure you get it just right. There's one spot here where there's a little line and a little nook there that if you don't get it just right, your diffuser might have a little bit of water that comes out. So it has 3 settings, so if you press it one time, that's on high. That's what I love to do when I'm running it in my living room or my open space, because it's all kind of an open area, so that way it's really strong. So that's what we're gonna do. And then you've got all these different light settings. I think there are 11 maybe. But my favorite one is this one that looks like a little candle. So you can ditch the synthetic chemicals and fragrances from your room sprays and your candles, and you can get yourself a diffuser with Young Living and make your own custom blends and scents and make your own little diffuser bomb. So that's how you can do that. It smells so good. Lime and lavender together are already one that I really love, and that add of geranium in there is just so nice. So I hope you guys like this recipe. I hope you give this a try. If you want to get yourself an oily box, head over to oily.shop.com to grab yourself the basic or the premium. You get the little dropper in both of those boxes, but this one obviously comes with some more extra goodies. If you would like to get your own diffuser and oils, again, you can click on Get Oils at oily.shop.com. Or if you click in the description down below, you'll find my faithbloomsoilers website, where there's more information again that you can learn more about essential oils and join my team there. And then I can send you a premium box for free. We can schedule that date. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe so you can get notified about more videos by clicking the bell. And hit a comment down below too, so that way I know that you tried this, what you thought. If there's another recipe or thing that you would like me to try that you'd like to see, I really would love to make something that you guys are interested in and chat about what it is that you have questions about. So if you have any other questions or anything, please feel free to hit me up on social media or comment down below. All my social media handles are down there as well. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks, guys. Goodbye. And is quarantine over yet? I'm just gonna stay here by the diffuser.